Hello my Corvette friends, I got a good one for you today. This is my newest mod that I put on my Corvette. I like to get little things and spice it up a little bit for me, as you all know if you've been watching the channel. But this time I got something that's in here that will actually change the bed box into something really nice, and that's leathering this baby up. So stay with me as I do that today. When you look at this, you can see that the C and all that has it indented. And I wanted to do this before I even thought about painting it red in there and making it nice and sharp, but it just doesn't look right. So that's where these come in. And they're plastic, they're red because that's the deal on my car. And it's pretty self-explanatory as long as I don't screw it up putting it in there. Now, I guess let's start with the C. These kind of just break out, and they're sticky right away. I got this little tool. Ooh, not bad. Not bad at all. I like it. It's a good start. It fits in there nice. That was, of course, always one of the concerns, is that does it actually fit there? Might as well go right down the path here. They don't move too well after you get them in there, but they do move. Oh, I like it. I like it just fine. Yeah, it sets it off just like I wanted it to. You know, I've so often thought that looking at this bed box here, that they had the indents in there. It just seems like, why didn't they finish it up and make a pretty cool lettering in there and matching the car or whatever? As it worked out. Okay, I've searched long and hard for put something in there, so I'm quite pleased that I was able to get this from eBay. And I'll tell you what, I'll show you the numbers and everything that we got on this, so you can order it if you want, because I think there's a lot of different colors. I, of course, ordered red because it matches the theme of the vet, and it's awesome. I like it. It's just what I kind of hope for. It gives a little bit different reflection than as the light hits it. But, all right. Well, I'll take some pictures of it so you can see it in more angles and see if it's something you'd want to do. Right now, I recommend it. It's pretty good. You know what I mean? To get these little cuts in there, they're pretty dang close. I mean, looking at it this close, I'm a little fussy, but hey, it looks good. I like it.